Let me explain how to fix the network error in CapCut on your phone. First, open CapCut and close all other applications running in the background. On your phone, first, open CapCut. Next, as you can see here, close all other applications running in the background to optimize performance. Now let's proceed to the settings, where you can find the option to clear all the applications that are currently running. Clear the cache. We will clear the cache now, and that should help. If it still doesn't work, we then proceed to check our internet connection settings on the device carefully. Now, let's check our internet connection settings to ensure everything is functioning properly with the Wi-Fi network we have. If it still doesn't work, we can download a VPN since, as you can see here, some countries have this limitation. As you can see here, sometimes CapCut may not function properly. If it still doesn't work, you can simply download a VPN. It always works flawlessly without any issues. If it still doesn't work for you, then you can carefully try another method to resolve this problem. Update CapCut to the latest version. If it still doesn't work, then you can also carefully try this alternative method for resolving the issue effectively. Click here to log out of your account, then log back in again. If that still doesn't resolve the issue, try these additional troubleshooting steps. I believe that after trying these steps, using a VPN will help it work. Clearing the cache is also a good idea. You can also try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it again to see if that resolves the issue effectively. You can uninstall and then reinstall the app again. That's it. Thanks for watching, good luck, and goodbye.